It's getting pretty big. Uh-oh.
This is ridiculous.
Yeah, as far as grassland fires, it was pretty tame. Real sweet.
Look at that.
Fireworks. Stop recording.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you can't take the blame for that. You didn't fucking do it.
Not scared? Ran off?
Nah.
Show you Michael. This is as good as the fireworks.
But a little old.
How come is it when like disaster happens in Aberdeen, everyone fucking gathers around?
I know, right? Because of the off.
But for a festival, there's no one around, right? Let's see what these guys do. It's getting really bad. The more you stomp on it, the more it spread.
What?
The more you stomped on it, the more it spread.
Did you really not coming back?
Oh, okay. This straight here, but down at the other end.
Yeah.
I just said,
7-Eleven and
Smile, guys. Yeah.
we're a neighbor. I walk this town all the time. Every single day I bring my dog up and we go for like a 2-mile walk there every day.
what are they going to do?
This is pouring out right now.
Took them to the park today.
Where the fuck is the fire trucks?
Now we got fire up
There's
here.
one lone man over here.
Well, I was going to say it's pretty ironic because where the mill burnt
Oh, they're
down.
coming down the bay.
Well, yeah, but it's full of cedar out there.
Right.
I don't know if it was fireworks or if somebody was going through there and threw a cigarette.
Hi.